Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best paint sprayers in 2024. Top 5 available on Amazon. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. HomeRight C800971. Introducing the HomeRight C800971. A super finish max paint sprayer is your go-to tool for DIY projects. Achieve exceptional finishes on various surfaces like furniture, cabinets, trim, and more. With adjustable settings for horizontal, vertical, and round spraying, and a material flow control knob for precise output adjustment, this sprayer offers versatility. The 450-watt motor ensures powerful performance, allowing you to spray paints, stains, sealers, and more. Backed by a 2-year warranty and reliable US-based customer service. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. MirrorZone Paint Sprayer. Introducing the MirrorZone Paint Sprayer 1000 watts high-power electric spray paint gun, a powerful tool for all your painting needs. With its 1,400 milliliters high-capacity container and advanced technology, this sprayer allows for efficient and smooth painting. The flow control knob provides precise control over the paint volume, making it suitable for a variety of projects. The MirrorZone paint sprayer features a durable motor with temperature protection and high-quality brass nozzles that are easy to clean. Enhance your painting experience with the MirrorZone brand, known for its reliability and performance. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. AEROPRO R500. Introducing the AEROPRO Tools R500 air spray gun. Featuring a new Teflon coating, this gun is wear-resistant and easy to clean. With lower air volume and pressure, it creates a smooth finish with minimal overspray. The trigger has 2 gears for dust cleaning and painting, reducing fatigue. It comes with 1.3/1.5/1.7 mm nozzles for versatile use. Durable and efficient, it's perfect for automotive, house painting, furniture, varnish, and top coats. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Wagner Spraytech FLEXiO 5000. Discover the Wagner Spraytech FLEXiO 5000 stationary paint sprayer, designed for a variety of projects. Achieve a superior finish on furniture, walls, ceilings, cabinets, and trim effortlessly. The portable paint system features a ground-sitting turbine, reducing hand fatigue during long projects. It offers 2 nozzles, the Spray nozzle for larger jobs and the Detail Finish nozzle for small projects and fine finishing. Experience complete adjustability with the X-Boost power dial and material flow control. Cleanup is quick with the new spray nozzle design, and storage is convenient with the turbine base. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. inoKraft MaXpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. Upgrade your DIY game with the inoKraft Paint Sprayer. Ideal for up to 10-gallon projects, it delivers efficient, thinning-free application with minimal overspray. From interior furniture to exterior decks, fences, and more, achieve professional quality results. User-friendly setup guides and a 360-degree swivel joint enhance agility and precision. The MaXpray tip requires no pre-thinning, while the flush ease valve ensures easy cleaning. Accessories include a 12-inch tip extension, anti-fog goggles, and a cleaning kit. Experience reliable customer care and enjoy a 1-year warranty, extendable to 2 years. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.